Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and check out Sandra's shop next. And from Sandra, she's got silver twist jewelry. Silver twist jewelry. All right. And let's see what we got here. 19 sales from Houston, Texas. Very nice. It's a good start there. And what do we got here? We got these rings, all sorts of pretty looking rings. Very colorful, very pretty looking. Now, I think these photos, some of them kind of work, but they're a little tricky to kind of, they almost look camouflaged. Like this one, let's see here, rhodochrosite. What a name. What a name this is. So a few things about this one. I don't think a lot of people are going to know what rhodochrosite is. You understand it because you're an expert on the matter, but it's a long word to spell, rhodochrosite. So this listing title, the keywords, I don't think are going to benefit you a lot. They're not going to help you a lot because you've put the word ring, which is what this product is, way down at the end, and it should be a lot closer to the beginning. So you want to shorten it. So I instead of saying rhodochrosite, we could even try it. Let's just try rhodochrosite ring, and let's just go all the way down. So we do got 4,000 results. So there are people searching for it, but it's still not that big, only 4,000. And I like to get keywords that are a little bit bigger. Now, how I would describe this would be like pink, purple, wire, ring. Okay, let's try that. Pink, purple, let's try gemstone, wire, ring. See what we get there. Pink, purple, gemstone, wire, ring. 1,100 results, so it's probably too specific. We could try pink, purple, wire ring. 2,300. Not so great. We could try pink gemstone or crystal. What is it? Crystal. 10,000 results. So that one's a lot bigger. Pink gemstone wire ring. And when you look, there's a lot of the rings on here look similar to yours. They look very similar. So this is a much better keyword for you. Pink gemstone wire ring. And when we search the keyword that you're using here, it's just not pulling up a lot of results. Only 359. So I would recommend shortening this or change these keywords up and get a little bit more punchy with the keywords. And I would start with words that most people are going to know. You know, I don't think very many people are going to know what rhodochrosite is or even how to spell it. Even amethyst is a tricky one. So I would go with simpler terms like pink wire ring, pink gemstone wire ring, purple gemstone wire ring. And I would use keywords like that. And then later down, I would use the big names like rhodochrosite and amethyst. So that's how I think you could improve your keywords for this product. Because I see this all the time with people selling jewelry where they use the whole name of the crystal. And it's very complicated, and not a lot of people know how to spell that or know what it is. Now, I do think it should be included later in the listing title, like the 4th or 5th keyword, because there is a small amount of people that do know it, but you don't have to have it at the front to work for that. Now, the next thing on your photos here, I think it's kind of washed out with all this color here. Because it's on, you've got a very light colored, the silver is very reflective and it's very light color. Against this mirror and this piece of glass, it doesn't really contrast it very well, and it makes it difficult to see, and especially when you're zoomed out on this. So it's much better to use something that's going to contrast your jewelry and make it really stand out. And I don't think the mirror is very good for that. Because it just reflects it back, and it's tricky for sure. So I think what would be better, go look at what your competitors are doing and get some ideas from them. A lot of people putting it on the hand, I think can definitely work, and it can make it stand out. And these ones definitely, pop out. But put it against some sort of material that's a little darker, that's going to make it stand out. Look at this one, this blue, and they got a pink wire ring. It really makes that pink pop because it contrasts it. So contrast is so important in your photos. You got to get some contrast. Look at this one here, this white gemstone. is a lot stronger against the black background than the white background. So I would really recommend that you put contrast in your photos, and they're very pretty, and I like the airy look to them, but they are difficult to, they don't really stand out as much because of that, and they blend in with the background a whole lot more. So my 2 cents, I think you could do a little bit better on the photos, and then also with the keywords there, make them a little bit less detailed.